forces out Miguelito. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside comes Ayanako. Zenor or Saint. Then moving up down on the inside comes Torquenchana to take the lead. It's now Torquenchana. Miguelito in the middle. About 4 wide comes Zenor or Saint. Ayanako, 6 wide in 4th. Then followed over by Conquista Royal. And going along for the first turn, Torquenchana by about 3/4 of a length, now by about a head. Formidable Ella sneaking down on the inside. Miguelito in 3rd, while Miguelito stop running. Formidable Ella takes the lead by about a length. And in 2nd is Zenor or Saint. Ayanako now coming closer on the outside. Then followed by Conquista Royal. Burst of speed. Torquenchana fading out. And Manila Magic. Formidable Lela just in front. Ayanako is on the outside. And in 3rd still is Zenor or Saint. Conquista Royal. The lead now belongs to Ayanako by a length and a half. Formidable Lalandras back in 2nd, Zenor or Saint in 3rd. As they come down the last 200. Ayanako this time by about 2 lengths. Formidable Lela in 2nd, Zenor or Saint is on the outside 3rd. But it's still Ayanako by about 3 lengths, followed by Formidable Ella. And finally, Ayanako, Formidable Ella.